make sense? Because then I can get tighter with my backbone. Meaning, if I have this kind of parting that I'm working with, look how tight I can get this backbone. So I have all this here to work with as far as the paint. Make sense? Where if I have a lot of hair, it's going to be really hard to get it that close to the root. Does that make sense? So I'm going to start here with about 1 inch, and since that was already back home, what I want to do is start kind of towards the mid shaft, towards the ends, and get rid of hair. So like 1 and 2. Notice that you can see the hair kind of disappear. Once you have, again, the more that you back home, the less impact that you'll have with that shade that you're working with. Make sense? So if you want it to be stronger and you want a lot, then maybe just do 1 or 2. If you want less impact, you want it to be a little bit softer, maybe do 3, maybe even 4 if you need to. So you can really be the judge on how much hair is there. Then I'm going to grab a thermal paper, and I'm using thermal papers because these are lighter in weight, and also they adhere to the consistency of aluminum better, which is the gel base. So foils will be a little bit heavier, and I'm going to be doing back to back. So what I'm going to do is, what I like is I actually paint the foil first with clear, so I actually will get saturation on the underneath, and I have something to actually hold on to. Then I'll paint the clear on the top. I'm going to start with my copper, saturate the ends, and I'm going to wait until I meet the clear. Remember that, making sure that I have full saturation. I met my clear, right? Now I can go in, turn my brush vertically, and diffuse up. Remember, I want to kind of create that third tone, which is the in-between for the diluted version of the copper. So what you have is pretty much the clear, the copper, and then diffusing over the clear.